Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you this Globebus Go T45 from Dethleffs. It's a vehicle costing €80,000, 689 centimeters long. Sorry, I got that one wrong. It's 669 centimeters long and 269 centimeters high. Inner height 190, width 220. We'll have a look at the plus points for it. I'll even put it into English. There you go. Did I give you the price? I thought the price had just gone up. I thought it was less in German. 85,325 euros. Plus points, 75 centimeter wide habitation door with fly screen. Oh, we'll have a look at this on the way back. How does that sound? We'll have a look at the van first. Alright, so it doesn't got a particularly high roof, but it's so relatively standard. On the Ford Transit automatic, manual gearbox. At the back, 2 beds, 2 burners here. There's a kitchen extension, storage under the kitchen sink. We've got a mirror so we can see ourselves. In here we have got a shower unit with a false wall which is hiding the toilet. It's a pity because it looks quite nice with this whole unit. And very large sink at the back, German style layout, 2 single beds. They'll join when this has been put down to the front, and there's an infill to make it much bigger. We have of course got storage under the bed. I need to point out of course that the ladder, you wouldn't keep the ladder like that in these circumstances. The ladder is for use when this is pulled out to its maximum extent. Somebody left it in this condition and it wasn't me. There you go. Oops, and there the ladder comes off. Right. Oh, hey, it comes out a long way. I think it's broken actually. It's not meant to come out that way. Hey, we'll just stick the ladder in there like that. Storage under there, and we'll put the infill in as well so you can see what's going on. So this is coming out too far, so in fact it is broken. But anyway, never mind. Storage at the back. Ledges here, but they are quite deep, I suppose. And you could, I don't know if you can, don't really know what you could do to stop things, make that into proper storage compartments. Anyway, we'll have a look in here. This is the fridge with a freezer compartment, and of course storage above here as well. Right, hasn't got a flat floor. So I think this is a basic motorhome, to be quite honest. It's got the bits which are needed without offering any thrills, so to speak. Up here you've got your panel, you can see what's going on, turn your heating on here, and here we've got a fly screen. Let's have a look at those plus points. And here, so to put this thing on English, put the plus factors on. 70 centimeter wide habitation door with fly screen blind. There it is. Second rear garage door on the left. We'll have a look at that one. Light and airy panoramic skylight. Yep, yeah, it does have that. That's nice. Large openable window in the cab bonnet. Yes, it has that as well. Electrically powered compressor refrigerator with excellent cooling capacity. Yeah, we saw that. Plenty of light in the vehicle during the day and cozy lighting at night. Yes. Pull-out step on the bed and also use additional storage. Right, so you can see the step comes out, which is under the bed, which I didn't show because I was messing around with the ladder. Indirect ambient lighting above the overhead storage as an option. It looks nice. Double mirrors ensuring optimal field of vision on all paths. There you go. There's what it calls the double mirror. Also, it is a double mirror, isn't it? Right, yeah. I do like the lights up there, though. I think that makes it really good. Okay, so we've got this flap, and as this a hatch, I should say, and there's a hatch on the other side as well, which is just as large. This garage is a very nice and good size. Okay, it's a basic van. I think there's others which are much nicer, but there you go. Oh, an automatic gearbox costs €3,500. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. Upload every year 21:45 my time. I'm in Poland and in Germany. UK it's 1 hour earlier, but for me at the caravan salon, thanks for watching.